Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Trump triumphs with soaring SPAC. China scrambles to support Yuan amid market mayhem. Sunoco seals $7.3 billion all-stock NuStar deal, while Apple Vision Pro faces hurdles despite strong demand. Chinese EV stocks hit reverse gear as anxiety amplifies. AMD dips on Northland downgrade and ADM braces for two-year low amid probe news and analyst downgrades. Lastly, shorted stock surge. Keep your eyes on the sky. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. After Ron DeSantis withdrew from the presidential race and endorsed Donald Trump, the stock value of Trump's Special Purpose Acquisition Company, also known as SPAC, named Digital World, experienced a 70% increase. Despite facing challenges such as regulatory investigations and a postponed merger with the Truth social media platform, it appears that the company's success is closely linked to Trump's political future. The fluctuation in this stock is reminiscent of what was observed in GameStop and Bed Bath & Beyond during the meme stock craze of 2021.
Stocks in China experienced a downturn as state-owned banks stepped in to bolster the yuan, offloading U.S. dollars and constricting offshore liquidity. This development is concurrent with a 1.6% decrease in the CSI 300 index and a 2.27% fall in Hong Kong's Hang Seng index. Major technology stocks such as Alibaba, Baidu, and JD.com also witnessed declines of up to 5%. This downward trend follows overseas funds divesting $1.6 billion from Chinese equities due to apprehensions of an economic slowdown.
Sunoco has entered into an agreement to purchase NuStar Energy. This all-stock transaction is estimated to be worth around $7.3 billion, which includes the assumption of debt. The primary objective of this acquisition is to broaden Sunoco's business portfolio and enhance its cash flow for future reinvestment and expansion. The company predicts that by the third year following the closure of this deal, it will generate a minimum of $150 million in synergies.
Apple's new product, the Vision Pro headset, experienced a robust initial demand, selling as many as 180,000 units during its first weekend on the market. However, Ming-Chi Kuo from TF International Securities suggests that this interest might decline rapidly once the core fanbase has completed their purchases. This is indicated by the unchanged shipping times. Despite these predictions, it is anticipated that Apple will manage to ship a minimum of 500,000 units within this year alone. It's worth noting that popular platforms such as YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify have decided against developing apps for this device. On the other hand, Warner Bros., Amazon, and Microsoft are currently in the process of creating native apps specifically for this headset.
Stocks of Chinese electric vehicle companies, such as NIO, Xpeng, and Li Auto, are experiencing a decline. This is part of a broader sell-off of Chinese stocks triggered by geopolitical tensions and fears of deflation. Investors from overseas are now turning their attention towards Japan and other markets in Asia. The electric vehicle market in China is grappling with issues like pricing wars, concerns over overcapacity, and possible regulatory actions.
Shares of Advanced Micro Devices, also known as AMD, experienced a drop of over 3.5%. This followed a downgrade by Northland Capital. The reason for the downgrade was that they believe potential profits from artificial intelligence have already been accounted for. Analyst Gus Richard forecasts that AMD's revenue from AI chips will reach $16 billion in 2027, securing a 13% share of the market. However, he cautions against excessive optimism regarding AI growth expectations and has downgraded AMD to market perform.
Vikram Luthar, the chief financial officer of Archer Daniels Midland, is currently on administrative leave due to an ongoing accounting investigation. As a result of this situation, the company has decided to postpone its fourth quarter and full year 2023 results. Additionally, it has also withdrawn its guidance for the nutrition segment. This uncertainty has led analysts to downgrade the stock. However, it's worth noting that in spite of these issues, ADM's nutrition unit still contributed $468 million towards their operating profit of $4.67 billion in the first 9 months of 2023.
Stocks in the consumer sector that have a high short interest are experiencing a surge. Leading the rally is Fisker, an electric vehicle manufacturer, which has seen an increase of 28% following a deal with an institutional investor. Spirit Airlines also saw a rise of 10.5%, fueled by rumors of its potential merger with JetBlue Airways, even though this has recently been blocked by a federal judge. Other companies that have made significant gains include Plug Power, Mondi Holdings, and Vroom.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Remember, invest wisely, spend smartly, and keep tuning in for your daily dose of business insights. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.